Won't die in the wilderness.
Just recently, TVJ News caught up with 24-year-old Kelly Brown, who resides in Augusttown. And just like any ambitious young woman her age, Kelly went to college and got a degree. But what makes Kelly this week's real hope is the fact that she did all of this while losing her sight on 3 different occasions. It all started in 2009.
So the whole test of faith started at the age of 16. I was participating in the devotional exercise one morning. I started to experience a short of breath. I saw something in my eyes that seemed like Pinny. I fainted. From there, as the week progressed, the vision deteriorated. One day I woke up and it wasn't white anymore. I was just seeing complete darkness.
According to Kelly, she was diagnosed with an autoimmune disease which in turn took her sight. It did come back a few months later, though not 100%. But that did not stop Kelly from graduating from high school with honors and copped the top award in 3 CSEC at her school.
I got a 1 and a 2 and I said to Mommy, Mommy, my hunger for success is not satisfied.
And that hunger for success did not come easy.
I remember days, my peers would really make fun of me and, they found it so humorous. The teachers also, they weren't so friendly after. There were days when I would be in the class and I would ask for assistance and, it's like to me they thought that I'm not going to achieve anything, so don't even bother waste time explaining to Kelly. Focus on the children that will actually, get something. The extent to which my peers were cruel was even shown to the extent where one peer looked at me and told me that I should ensure that I fail my exam because he wants, and I quote, his dog to get the award. Where do people get off? Who determines where you go?
And the answer to that was herself.
My story is what I use as I go daily to encourage young people. The community I live in is not one that is, very favored. And, coming here, I heard it say that, once you live in the ghetto, you die in the ghetto and you'll achieve nothing in the ghetto. But because I've come to understand that ghetto is only a state of mind, and, I said, it's not when people are poor in their pockets, but it's really when they're poor in their mind. And I tell myself that I'm not going to give in to the, the mindset. I'm going to achieve something. I'm going to accomplish something. I'm not going to just contribute to the numbers of those who have one at their feet and one on the way.
And Kelly took that fighting spirit to the university. But while at college, not only did she lose her sight again, but new challenges from the illness which took her sight surfaced, multiplying the burden tenfold.
One day I was just there sitting and, I started to realize that the sensation in my hands and my feet were now being affected.
But how did Kelly cope with the additional burden? Tune in next week, Monday, for part 2, where Kelly will tell you how she used faith to stay strong. With a real hope, I'm Kirk Wright.